true. Wishing isn't something only children do. Suddenly, there's a star that's glowing brighter anywhere you are. Once upon a time, you made your own song. No matter how it's written or any way it's said, you'll never sing it wrong. Once upon a time, a dream you had came true. No matter where you land, you'll always understand. Once upon a time, it's up to you.
Off to the cupboard with you now, Chip. It's past your bedtime.
But Mama, you haven't told me a story yet.
Well, I suppose we have time for a story or two.
Yay! Don't forget my favorite part.
I wouldn't dream of it, dear. Once upon a time. That's how the most wonderful stories begin. Stories that can take us anywhere. Why, with a bit of imagination, we can discover exciting new worlds filled with daring adventure, enchanting love, and even a little bit of magic.
Magic?
Oh, yes. Magic.
Bippity boppity boo!
My heart has a wing, and I can fly. I'll touch every star in the sky.
No, palang pelota.
So this is the miracle that I've been dreaming of. So this is love. So this is love. So this is
Who's that, Mama?
Goodness me. A boy who can fly.
There it is, Wendy. Second star to the right, straight on to the wall. Come on, everybody. Here we go.
What an adventure. And all it took was a little imagination.
Mama, tell me another one, please, please.
All right, all right. Perhaps a tale of two sisters, a queen and a princess, who discovered the power of true love.
the window was open, so's that door. I didn't know they did that anymore. Who knew we owned 8,000 salad plates? For years I've roamed these empty halls. Why have a ballroom with no balls? Finally they're opening up the gates. There'll be actual real life people. It'll be totally strange. Wow, am I so stars white on the mountain tonight, not a footprint to be seen. A kingdom of isolation, and it looks like I'm the queen. The wind is howling like this swirling storm inside. Couldn't keep it in, heaven knows I tried. Don't let them in, don't let them see. Be the good girl you always have to be. Conceal, don't feel, don't let them know. Well, now let it go. Let it go. When I rise like a break on dawn. Let it go. Let it go. That perfect girl is gone. Hear us stand in our light. Let the storm rage on. You'll never bother me anyway.
Look, Mama. There they go.
See, Chip, with every turn of a page, you can find yourself in the most unexpected places, even down a rabbit hole.
A rabbit hole?
For a very important thing.
What a funny little bear.
Bears love honey and I'm a Pooh Bear, so I do care so inclined. I'm so lonely in my tumble. Time for something sweet to eat.
They come in ones and twos, but in things so choose. Before your eyes you'll see them multiply.
Time for bed now, Chip.
But Mama, you still have to tell my favorite story.
Oh, how could I forget? And a very enchanting story it is, too. Once upon a time, there lived a selfish young prince who turned away an old beggar woman looking for shelter in his castle. To punish his unkind behavior, she turned him into a hideous beast and placed a powerful spell on all who lived there.
Like us.
That's right, dear. The only way to break the spell was for him to learn to love another and earn her love in return. But who could ever learn to love a beast?
I know. Bill.
don't leave me. I love you. See, Chip? Stories can take us anywhere.
You're right, Mama.
Now off to the cupboard with you. It's time to dream a new story. One that begins with Once Upon a Time.
Set the stage, turn the page. Make a wish and off you go. No matter how it's read or any way it's said, once upon a time is up to
My favorite look when she turned
And they all lived happily ever after. Each of us has a dream, a heart's desire. It calls to us. And when we're brave enough to listen and bold enough to pursue, that dream will lead us on a journey to discover who we're meant to be. All we have to do is look inside our hearts and unlock the magic within.
Ready to begin, let the wonder take hold. Feelings draw you in, watch the moment unfold. Spark a dream that we're meant to follow, setting out for a new tomorrow. There's magic in the air tonight. And anything
chama tio.
That's what friends are for.
Por favor,
Some people
pai.
are worth melting for.
Vai no cavalo.
Say goodbye to the pain of the past. We don't have to feel it anymore. Love is an open door. Love is an open door. Love is an open
No matter what they say, you'll be here in my heart and it's like the fog is lifted.
Under the stars, see the light, and it's like the sky is blue, and it's warm and real and bright, and the world is somehow shifted. All at once, everything is different now that I see you.
Flower that blooms in adversity is the most rare and beautiful of all.
Look inside yourself. You are more than what you have become. Remember who you are.
I have often dreamed of a far-off place where a hero's welcome would be waiting for me, where the crowds would cheer when they see my face, and a voice keeps saying, "This is where I'm meant to be."
And so our journey comes to an end, but yours continues on. Grab hold of your dreams and make them come true. For you are the key to unlocking your own magic. Now go, let your dreams guide you. Reach out and find your happily ever after.
The battles, the stories, the losses, and all the glory.
We're changed by the way we live every day. Just look up and reach to the sky. We all have the courage to fly.
boys and girls, dreamers of all ages, thank you for joining us this evening for our nighttime spectacular.